Hello students, today this video it is actually the continuation of our previous video, that is in the chapter inequalities in a triangle. That is, we were solving the problems within the exercise. This is the continuation of that. Now we are going to start from number 12. See, 12 it is given, prove that in a triangle other than an equilateral triangle, angle opposite to the longest side is greater than 2/3 of the right angle. This is not a equilateral triangle. So let AB is the longest side. AB is the longest side. Then we need to prove that is, if it is longest side, then that is actually AB is greater than BC and AB is greater than AC. We need to prove that is opposite angle of this longest side ACB, this angle is greater than 2/3 of a right angle. It is need to be proved. Now prove. As because AB is greater than AC, then angle C it will be greater than AC, opposite side, opposite angle is angle B. Once again AB is greater than BC, then angle C is greater than angle A. Now add these two. That is angle C plus angle C, that is 2 angle C is greater than angle A plus angle B. Now add angle C both the side. Then we are getting angle C plus 2C is greater than angle A plus angle B plus angle C. You know, this is actually the three angles, sum of three angles of a triangle. So this is 3C equal to angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. So 3C agar 180, then it will be C will be is greater than 60 degree. And angle C is greater than 60 means what does it mean? 60 degree equal to 2/3 of a right angle. So this is angle C, which is actually greater than 2/3 of the right angle. It is given in this figure. We need to prove that is, number 1 is CD plus DA plus AB is greater than BC, and number 2 is CD plus DA plus AB plus BC is greater than 2AC. See here, CD within this triangle, CD plus DA is greater than AC. Now CD plus DA plus AB, we are just putting this AC plus AB, adding AB both side. Now what is coming? See, CD plus DA plus AB, AC plus AB, this within this triangle AC plus AB is greater than BC. So it is actually, this is AC plus AB, we can just put this is AC plus AB is actually lesser than this, and this will be much more greater than BC. This is number 1 proof. Then number 2, that is this one. In triangle ACD, that is CD plus DA, CD plus DA is greater than AC. And in triangle ABC, AB plus BC is greater than AC. Now adding these two, and it has come, this is CD plus DA plus AB plus BC is greater than 2AC, and this is the second proof. 14 is given, O is a point within ABC. We need to show that is AB, we have to prove that AB plus AC is greater than OB plus OC, AB plus BC plus CA, OA plus OB plus OC is greater than this, and number C is OA plus OB plus OC is greater than half of AB plus ABC, BC plus AC. Now proof number 1. Suppose A. In triangle ABD, AB plus AD is greater than BD. Then AB plus AD, BD we can just write it down, OB plus OD. Now in triangle DOC, within this triangle, this OD plus DC, OD plus DC is greater than OC. This is number 1 and number 2. I just put this or mark this. Now add this to 1. Add 1 plus 2. What we are getting to the left side, that is AB plus AD plus OD plus DC equal to OB plus OD plus OC. From both sides OD just removed, and this is remaining only AB plus AD plus DC. See, AD plus DC equal to AC. we can put this AD plus DC as AC and which is greater than OB plus OC. This is the first proof now. This is. Next one is AB plus BC plus CA is greater than OA plus OB. See here we have already just seen that is AB plus AC is greater than OB plus OC. Now in triangle, in this similarly we can just tell AB plus BC is greater than OA plus OC, and once again AC plus BC is greater than OA plus OB. Just put this in this. Now we are just adding the whole three, that is 1, 2 and 3. Left hand side it will be, see, AB plus AB, it will be 2AB, AC plus AC, AC plus CA and AC, it will be 2AC, and BC plus CB, that is 2BC. So it is coming 2 as common, AB plus BC plus CA is greater than, see, 2A, OA plus OA, 2OA, OB plus OB, 2OB and OC plus OC, 2AC. It is common 2. So it is coming this. Now from both sides 2 is just cutted off, and see, this is AB plus BC plus CA is greater than OB plus OC, OA plus OB plus OC. This is the second proof. Now next one, third one. See, in triangle AOB triangle, OA plus OB is greater than AB. This is in triangle this also, OB plus OC is greater than BC, and similarly OC plus OA is greater than AC. Now add these three one. What is actually coming? See, this is OA plus OA. Once again this is 2OA, 2OB and 2OC. Just take 2 common as this, and this is AB plus BC plus CA. Therefore OA plus OB plus OC, it will be half of AB plus AC, and this is actually the third proof. We have already just finished number B, exercise 9B. Here about all the problems I have already solved over here. Try to just learn this, and I do believe you will be confident just to solve any kind of problem applying all these, that is the inequality properties of triangle. So any problem you are facing, just revert to my WhatsApp number, which is given over here, that is 98